Bob on this. Oh! Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back. I got the water bobber build on the block. This is part 3 in the water bobber build series. Okay, got an inline strut rudder combo on the boat. We just hooked up the steering linkage, got the servo installed, the motors installed, stuff into ESCs kind of mounted. But today we actually need to come up with a battery mounting option for the boat. Gonna be running this 2200 or the 3200 3S Spectrum battery. All right, I'm going to mount it over on the left side. So we need to figure out a mounting option for the battery and kind of button everything up on the boat. All right, finish it up so we can get our maiden in. So stick around. Big B with Ironclad RC. Let's get to it, you guys. Let's get to it. All right. So yeah, we need to come up with a battery mounting option. Okay, my ESC is going to be mounted over on the right side of the boat, kind of like it is now. Okay, and my battery is going to be mounted on the left side. Okay, to kind of counteract the torque roll the boat may have with larger pitchy or props on. So I'm thinking, well, I was thinking about going an easy route and just epoxying this. It's basically like a bimini top strap for a 1-to-1 boat. You just kind of run your strap under this little thing for a bimini top. And I was thinking about putting like epoxying that into the hole right here and just running a single strap. All right, and that would allow me to just put a strap over my battery, and it would actually work pretty good. I'd be able to move it back probably around that much. Okay, but my recoil, my 6S recoil 2, actually I broke my battery tray in the boat the other day, and I had just incidentally put this in the boat, and I was like, well, damn, that might actually be kind of nice. So what I'm going to do, I got a piece of fiberglass right here. All right, I'm basically going to make a battery tray very similar, if not almost identical, to this guy right here. So I got my battery tray cut out. All right, this is a 2200 milliamp 3S pack and a 3200 milliamp 3S pack. Our plans actually call for the CG to be about 5.7 inches from the transom. So let's see here. So our CG is going to be about right here in the boat. Okay, not quite, a third like a mono, and not quite, CG for catamaran. Is somewhere in between. Okay, it's a hybrid. So I really want to leave my battery tray a little bit long for battery placement. Okay, so I can tinker around with CG and kind of find its sweet spot. I need to cut the slits out, probably use my Dremel. Okay, I'll use this scrab tool to mark out my slits in the fiberglass. Okay, and then just cut it out. All right, I'll probably fast forward through it. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Gonna be freaking perfect. Got it all cleaned up with my file. Actually, it was a really quick battery mounting option. It took me about 10 minutes to make, literally. All right, it saved me about 20 bucks. Okay, and you see how it's gonna go on there. All right, that's gonna go right on that little area here, that flat spot, and we could put our battery in the battery tray and tighten it down. I might need to get a smaller strap. Jeez. So that's gonna work. Let's see how it's gonna fit in the boat here with the strap on it. Yeah, that's perfect, man. That's freaking perfect. I can still move my strap around. Yes, sir, buddy. All right. I think that's going to work. Now let's epoxy this bad boy in the boat, okay? I'm going to go right there. So our CG is going to be 5.7. It's around that the 00 in the boot, okay? With the battery in here, with this battery in the boat, CG's right on that boot, okay? 5 to 7 inches. Let's throw the big battery in there. Check the CG with the big boy in there. Okay, right on that boot. I can slide it forward. I can get the CG forward of like where that T's at there. And if I slide it back, we can get our CG all the way back about where the D is in the boot. Okay, so that's gonna be perfect, man. That's gonna be freaking perfect. With that long, well, I didn't even make it that long. I kind of made it short because I didn't want a huge battery, like all that weight. So if I have to run my battery all the way forward, I can use the forward strap. I shouldn't need both straps. Some, you know, in the extreme case it don't work out and I need my CG far up, or when I'm doing a speed run, I may need my battery farther up. But just cruising around, I think it's going to be perfect, like right here. You know, about right there where our CG point needs to be. So I'm going to get this thing epoxied in. I was going to drill some epoxy holes, some epoxy dam holes to ensure it stays where it needs to be. But I think if I just rough up and flatten out this epoxy fiberglass here, I think we'll be all right. You know, just get a nice mounting surface, some nice epoxy mounting, you know, bonding surface. And shit, I think it's fine. I don't think I'll need to drill no holes. Got it in there. The epoxy's all cured out. Okay, got the straps in. It actually worked out really freaking good. This strap right here is actually too long. Actually, both of them are, but this one in particular is it was really long. So I cut the little buckle off. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys how I actually put these freaking, you know, shorten up my straps. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it in the boat. It's simple. I used to sew it. Can you guys see this? On this strap right here, you guys see the little sew where I sewed the buckle on. But here lately, I've actually I just been using super glue. You know, I'll get the buckle where I want it. All right, I'll double it over and load it down with CA. All right, I don't even care if it gets on the buckle. Okay, and I just roll that strap over where I want it. Boom. Alright, this actually works really freaking good, you guys. Just hold it on there without getting your fingers stuck to it. The buckle right here, it like moves around in like a tight spot, like tight boats. If you need that buckle to like stand off so you can like get your strap in it easy, you could put a little drop of CA in that hole where the strap is and super glue the buckle. Super glue the buckle in place so the buckle don't like move around. Okay, like and make it where it like stands off, so when you put your battery in the boat, put pressure on the strap, and your buckle isn't gonna like fall over when you go to push the strap through it. Okay, you guys see that? So a little tip for you. Okay, let's put this on. Alright, so that's actually going to work really good. Okay, that's perfect, man. Okay, so the battery's going to want to slide back and forth. So, I've actually got this piece of foam right here. It's not even a sticker. Okay, it's like a piece of foam. And I actually cut me a little piece of foam to put right in the middle. Right there. Alright, and I'm going to put a couple little... Oh, shit, that's a lot. Damn. Put me a piece of foam right there. Okay. Almost glued my finger to it. Put way more super glue than I was anticipating. Now when I put my battery in, you know, these are just little tips I run across. You know, it's not really worth making a whole video, you know, on these little tips that I find like this. And you know, I try to throw it in wherever I can in my videos, you know. So, you know, watch my videos to the end, because you never know what Big B has up his sleeve. Alright, so that's actually going to work perfect. It's going to take a couple of, you know, tries and kind of get my straps where I need them and kind of figure out where I want it. But I might actually shorten this strap right here up too. Plans actually call for my CG to be right here where the O is in the boot. Okay, so check my CG. Boom. Alright, that's perfect. Got it perfect. So let's slide the battery forward. Like if we were doing a speed run, we might need to keep the weight forward so she don't blow over. Oh man, that's freaking perfect. Check it out. It's right where the T's at. Okay, and if we need to move it back, you know, if she wants to handle like a mono hull with the CG a third the boat, we could slide the battery back and get the CG where the D is in the boot right there. I got the battery in here, my ESC's in. Working on the cooling, how I'm going to run the cooling, but I got some grease on my cable. Boom! Quick pre-maiden, okay, and then the next video with the boat we're going to do a full maiden. All right, off camera I kind of ran my cooling lines. I ran the, you know, dual cooling to the ESC. Okay, one of the cooling lines is going into the motor and out the boat. The other cooling line goes in the ESC, out the ESC, and out the boat. So I kind of split my cooling runs up so I don't have to run a full line to the motor, okay, and I don't have to do like a U on my ESC. It was just kind of a straight shot and out the boat with my little ironclad through hull, okay, with a brass tube inserted. Got a 3200 milliamp 3S pack, okay, a 3519 prop on. I've also got a 3514 prop we could try on the boat, okay. I have not cut the rudder down. All right, so let's give it a shot. Let's see what she does. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Oh! Man, that little 2958's got some oomph. Oh, yeah. It's running good. Nice. That's that 3230C, the same battery we got in the recoil too. All right, so let's turn the throttle up here. We'll probably need to check temp. All right, we got her maxed out here, boys. Oh! So I might put that other prop on. Oh, wow. Oh, night and day, son. Oh, nice. Oh! Oh, yeah. So she's wanting to kind of teeter tot back and forth there. Might be the big prop. And it might be weight distribution, how I got the weight in the boat. But in a turn, oh, she's on the money in a turn. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm going to push that strut down just a hair. All So I pushed it down maybe 2 millimeters here. That's gonna put some down trim on the bow of the boat, all right? So let's see what it does with some down trim. You know? Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh! She gets right up out the water, man. She pops right up out the freaking water. Oh, Proppin' Willie's, son. This might be my new Proppin' Willie's boat. So I pushed that strut down, and I can't really see a big... Oh, yeah, I can. Yes, I can. Oh, that's nice. Oh! She don't want to flip. I'm giving it full throttle. Normally, it would like torque roll the whole boat over, and it would flip, man. That is cool, man. Oh! Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That is freaking awesome, son. Oh, she's a rocket. Oh, nice. No water in the boat at all. Not even a drop of water, you guys. Not even a drop of water in the boat whatsoever. All right, so let's check the temp on the motor. That's the one I'm worried about. Damn, 92, 91. So we can prop this thing up. 91 on the ESC. It almost looks like I didn't even run the boat. Jeez. Nice. That's freaking awesome. All right, so let's check the battery voltage here. .6. Man, I only brung 2 batteries with me. I'm gonna put this 2200 milliamp 30C pack in, okay? And see what it does with a lighter pack. All right, so I got a lighter pack in the boat. I got that 2200 milliamp, and I got it pushed all the way forward because it's much lighter than that previous pack. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look what I did. Look at this. I put my boat stand in with the boat. Oh my God. How many of you guys have done that? I bet that's a first. Oh shit, with that lighter pack. Ooh. Oh, I should have put the GPS in it. I got it in my pocket too. Damn. It's fast. It's fast. Little chine walk there. I think that's just my strut position. She handles good. She turns good. Let's see, in a straight right here. All right. Wanting to kind of catwalk a little bit. So we'll try tomorrow on the maiden. We'll try a smaller prop. And we'll try a bigger prop. We'll try some weight distribution. I really need to make a hatch lock so I don't have to tape it up every time. We can really tune it. Man, it's pretty quick. It's agile. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Josh, this thing's freaking awesome, brother. You did a great job with this boat, man. I really love it. I hope it's running good for you, man, because I'm trying. Oh man, it's boss. It's boss. Full trigger, son. I definitely need to work on the weight. I can't believe the temperature was 92 degrees just now after running it with that big pack. So we're bringing the 4S pack out tomorrow for sure. Bob on this. Oh, bob on this, baby. Oh, Proppin' Willie's. Oh, this thing's fun, son. You can't flip it. Full trigger. Oh man, this thing's boss. It's so nice seeing your newly built boat. You just worked your ass off building come together. And Josh Josh, you know, dead ahead, you need to be proud of yourself, man, because that's a pretty running boat. Look at there. Oh, we flipped it. We flipped it. That's a pretty running boat. Oh man, that reminds me, I actually need to put some foam under my hatch. Y'all remind me now. Y'all remind me to put foam under my hatch. Man, she's fun. She is fun. Yeah, Josh, you need to be proud of yourself. Oh, that was cool. Oh, man. Full trigger, full trigger. Oh, baby. Come on. She's trying to flip, but it won't flip. That is nice. That is a nice running boat. So when you get on the trigger too hard, she'll start teeter-totting. But if you lean into the trigger, okay, if you lean into the trigger with this one, lean into it, she don't torque roll, okay? I love it. You got on it easy there. You get on it easy. Oh! Damn, I should have put the GPS in it. All right, that's the battery. So freaking awesome. All right, so I just ran the shit out of it. Basically, full trigger the whole time. So let's check the temp real quick. Whoa, no water, man. No water in the boat. All right, temp, let's get the temp. 92, baby. Come on, 96. Temps are cool. We can prop up, we can battery up. All right. You guys look out for the next video with this boat because we're going to be doing the maiden, and I am super stoked to freaking do it. Okay, we're going to put the GPS in it. We're going to put 3S. We'll do some prop changes. We'll put 4S in it and play with the boat, man. This thing's freaking bomb, man. I like it. I actually enjoy it. She did want to kind of, you know, if I got on the trigger too hard, but if you kind of lean into it, get her up out the water, stable, okay, and you know, lean into the throttle, full throttle, she'll actually like run. I apologize it took me so long to get it done, you know. I had a lot on my plate here lately, so thanks for watching. Big B with ironcladedout channel where we tinker, test, and tune everything.